Hello everyone, it's Gilgamesh here again. In this episode, we are going to be taking a look at one new concept: incrementing and decrementing operators. As you can see, increment operator is a double plus sign, while decrement is double minus. Pretty simple. However, what do they actually do? What the increment operator does is it increases a variable by a value of 1. So basically, adds 1 to the chosen variable, like in line 1 on the screen. In line 2, you can see how the operator is used inside the code. So what does the decrement operator do then? Absolutely correct. It decreases the value of variable by 1. Here is how you would use it inside the code. However, be careful, since you can only use this operator with integer type variables, which actually makes sense since you can't really add 1 to a string. Exactly same goes for the decrement operator as well. There are two ways of using increment and decrement operators. You can put it in front of the variable or after the variable. So on the left, as you can see, you put it after the variable, and on the right, you put it before. This is same for both increment and decrement operators. But what is the difference between the two ways? There is only one main difference between the two, and it is only viable when you actually do something with the variable when you increment or decrement it. In this example, we save the value of I into j when incrementing it. In both and the left, we are doing the same thing. It's just that we are using different ways to achieve this similar thing. The behavior will change a little bit whether you use left or right. The difference is, on the left, Java first saves the value of I into the variable j, and only afterwards increments it by 1. The code on the right, on the other hand, where the increment operator comes first increases the value of I by 1 and only then saves it inside j. So on the left, j would be 10 after the code is run, and I will be 11. In the code on the right, the value of j and I are both 11, since the value of I is first incremented by 1 and then saved to j. So over here, first I takes the value of 10, then as you can see, I comes first. Therefore you first save the value of I into j, and then increase the value of I by 1. And on the right, exactly the opposite. I is still equal to 10, however, first I is incremented by 1, so now I becomes 11, and then it's saved into j. Thank you for watching once again. Be sure to leave a comment and a like under the video. And also be sure to have a nice day.